Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how I can fix TUF Gaming A15 not turning on. So basically what you'll need to do is go to your computer and click on Windows key, Ctrl Shift and plus B. So hold this, all keys at the same time, and you'll hear a beep sound, and that should fix your issue. And if this still not turning on, what you can try is by unplugging it from your outlet wall and basically just unplug the charger and hold this turn on button for 10 to 20 seconds until your computer restarts and these LED lights restarts too. So this will indicate that you did a hard reset for your computer and it should start back again like normal. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.